Yeah. I'm gonna hold it. I'm filming right now, Marky. Let's wait for this kid to get out of the way. Go ahead. Yeah. Woohoo! I guess. No!
Go that way.
Woo! Minga! That shit's cold, man. Huh? Woo! That water's cold. Here we are.
Down over, when you plunge down, you're going to plunge down, you're going to look up the water.
It's too murky. I can't. Well, I can do this.
Straight down you got to go. Look up.
Yeah? You can't breathe. I know, man. It's like you forget. I know I look like an idiot with this camera on my head, but yeah. The red light blinking? All right.
Just make sure you let go when you're out there.
Whoa! Don't make a fail bug video, right?
Yeah,
Don't do it. You can break your back.
I did not go out high enough. I mean far enough. Okay, I know. You hold yourself. You thought you wouldn't be able to hold yourself.
No. It's gonna be on video. She's gonna break it. It's deep right there?
30 feet, dude.
30 feet.
I'll go. Come on and help you. Stay there. Stay there, okay?
Listen, you got to go right here, man. You got to plunge down, look in this way.
What's in this? What's here? Nothing?
Listen, right here. You got to go off this way.
Alright.
You're going to see the rocks and cats like this. You can either come up here and float down. That's what you should do. Come up here.
Yeah, alright. Well, I can just jump.
Yeah, but you're going to get all that nice footage.
Float.
So as soon as you get past those bubbles, you go deep. So you just walk in.
Float.
Swim. You're going to get shot right out. Go right down here. Be careful you don't slide. That's all.
Where am I sliding to? Right there, and then I just go in the water.
Yeah.
It'll shoot me right out. What's under there? Nothing deep.
It's deep.
It's deep.
Right after that bubble.
Yeah, I don't want to get shot underneath this bitch.
You're gonna. When you go in, trust me, you ain't going to get it no other way.
Oh, fuck that. I don't like shit above my head, man.
What do you mean?
What if I go under here?
Nice.
I'll go right here. You go in there and I'll film you.
You go down,
Yo,
you go down, I'm plunging in.
go over there and I'll film you floating through. Huh? As soon as I jump in, you go, right? Ready?
Wait, hold on.
Ready? Cameraman shit. Hold up. Hold on.
Did you catch that?
Yeah. I think so.
So usually you could stand up here. We just got so much rain.
Oh.